here at DS Diving Service. We're here at the pontoon boat. We're going to be doing a quick comparison video. There you have it. I'll go get the other side cleaned up. Thank you again for choosing DS Diving Service. Have a good day.